welcome to Dole Plantation. Okay, let's begin by learning how to select a fresh and ripe pineapple. Okay, so if you buy your pineapple, make sure that the pineapple you're buying is a firm, not the soft one. Because if it's soft, that one is not good. Maybe it's overripe or got bruise on it. Okay, and then check also the eyes. So eyes of the pineapple are the circle. So make sure that the eyes are same sizes from top to bottom and all around. Or the bigger the eyes, the better. Because the eyes is the one you can tell that the pineapple is fully matured and ripe. If the eyes are smaller on the top or they're not even same sizes, pineapple is not ripe yet. They pick too early. And once they pick the pineapple that's not ripe, it's not gonna ripen anymore. Okay, and color, it doesn't matter. Because if the pineapple is too yellow, that means it's too much exposure from the sun. Just like I said, as long as the eyes are big and even, pineapple is ripe already. Okay, and make sure that the pineapple doesn't have a strong smell. If the pineapple got a strong smell, pineapple is already overripe. Okay, so those are the most important to check if you buy your pineapple. Okay, and then if you want to try to grow a pineapple, the only thing you need is the crown. Okay, so you're gonna twist the crown. Okay, you're gonna twist it, and then this is the one you need to grow. Okay, then before you plant, you're gonna take out some of the lower leaves. Take out the lower leaves until you have a nice stem because roots grow here. You want to make sure that your crown grow, then put it first in the water for a couple of days. When you see roots come out, then it's time to plant. You can put in a pot with some potting soil or you can plant straight to the ground. The approximately to harvest pineapple is 18 to 22 months. So it's 2 years to grow a pineapple. And in one crown, you may harvest 3 to 4, but one at a time. Okay, so now I'll show you how to cut the skin the easy way. But I use a dull curved pineapple knife. If you wanna buy, cut some in there. Okay, so what you do is cut the pineapple in half first. And then cut it into quarters. Okay, and now you can see the core. The core, you can also eat it. It's a little bit hard, no taste, but got lots of fiber. But if you don't want to eat it, you can cut it out or eat it separate. So that's the core. And now I use the pineapple knife. It's easy to use because you have the curve as your guideline. So just follow the curve. Closer to the skin, the better. That means you got all the meat of your fruit. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Then if you got some brown eyes in there that it didn't cut, just trim it a little bit with your pineapple knife. Like that.
This is just a 2-second tutorial.
before you eat the pineapple, make sure to wash it before you eat it because pineapple got lots of acid. Sometimes if you don't rinse out the acid, that's the one make your tongue or your lips itchy because pineapple is so acidic. Especially if you eat a lot of pineapple, it will numb your tongue because of the acid. Okay, like for example, if you cut your pineapple and if you wanna see the acid, just rub it. Okay, the bubbles are, or the foam are the acid, okay? Or after you cut it into chunks, rinse it. And you can use the skin to serve. Like if you have party, you can serve it like this.